All right, Mr. Jack, we're gonna shoot a quick video tonight. What are we gonna fix?
We're gonna fix the rattle that's on the go-kart.
All right, so you were driving your go-kart, and all of a sudden it started making a real racket. And we discovered that has come off, that sheared a bolt. So
there's a bolt and also that piece.
yeah, so rather than try to drill out the old bolt and have it happen again, Mr. Jack here is gonna weld it. But first we gotta expose the metal. So Jack's gonna put some protection on, and yeah, let's get set up to do that. By the way, it is like 95 degrees in here, so we're gonna make this quick.
It's very, very hot.
It's hot, hot.
All right, Mr. Jack, do some grinding.
Okay.
All right, Jack, let's see if the weld holds.
Okay.
Not the prettiest weld we've ever done.
But we grinded it down.
Yep.
It's good.
It's good. All right, here we go.
Start your engines.